In this slide 1, we will discuss the word afterward. Afterward means at a later time or subsequently. In Telugu, it is translated as tarvata. For example, we went to the movie and had dinner afterward. This word is often used to describe something that happens later in time. In this slide 2, we will discuss the word aforesaid. Aforesaid means previously mentioned. In Telugu, it is mundu seppina. For example, the aforesaid issues will be discussed in detail. It is mostly used in legal or formal English writing and speech. In this slide 3, we will discuss the word age. Age means the length of time a person has lived. In Telugu, it is vayassu. For example, he learned to swim at the age of 5. It is a common word used in describing people in life stages. In this slide 4, we will discuss the word afternoon. Afternoon refers to the time between noon and evening. In Telugu, the meaning is madhyanam. For example, let's meet in the afternoon. This is a basic vocabulary word used to talk about time. In this slide 5, we will discuss the word again. Again means once more or another time. In Telugu, it is malli. For example, please explain it again. This is a commonly used word when something is repeated. In this slide 6, we will discuss the word after. After means later in time or following something. In Telugu, it is tiruvata. For example, we will go for a walk after dinner. It helps describe events in sequence and is used frequently. In this slide 7, we will discuss the word against. Against means in opposition to or in contact with something. In Telugu, it is vyatirekanga. For example, she stood against the wall. This word is used both in physical and emotional contexts. In this slide 8, we will discuss the word afraid. Afraid means feeling fear or anxiety. In Telugu, it is bhayam. For example, I am afraid of snakes. It's a useful word to express emotions and fears. In this slide 9, we will discuss the word afterthought. Afterthought means a thought that comes later than expected or something added later. In Telugu, it is tarvata vaksina alokana. For example, adding that line was an afterthought. This word is used when someone remembers or adds something too late. In this slide 10, we will discuss the word afresh. Afresh means anew or once more in a new and different way. In Telugu, it is kottiga. For example, he started his life afresh in a new city. It's a motivating word used to express new beginnings.